Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be looking at 6 cryptocurrency focused companies known as the blockchain stocks. So 6 blockchain stocks to buy right now as Bitcoin is exploding off the charts, guys. Bitcoin is going to the moon right now. So I want to see some rocket ship emojis in the comments below, diamond hand emojis, everything. You guys know the drill. Stocks of several cryptocurrency focused companies are booming over the past few days. The surge comes with cryptocurrency market as Bitcoin hits new highs. This week, Bitcoin actually hit $58,000 per Bitcoin this week. So today we're going to be looking at the 6 crypto companies, like we said, focused on, the blockchain stocks, I guess you could say. So let's take a look here real quick at Bitcoin. I mean, look at this. It's just been doing amazing. Remember back here in, 2018 when it hit that almost $20,000 per Bitcoin, and then we saw the crash and everybody said, oh, Bitcoin is going to be, worth nothing. And then we saw this boom going into 2020. Look at this. 2020 was just on fire. I mean, it all started down here pretty much in March and just continued to boom on higher and higher. It's 10x since March. So if you invested $10,000 into the Bitcoin, it'll be worth over 100 grand right now. That is tremendous. So guys, market cap 1.1 trillion on Bitcoin. So that is huge. I mean, it's still far away from the gold market cap, and that's why some people are predicting Bitcoin prices to continue to go higher. Now, I predicted last year that Bitcoin would be going to $100,000 in 2021. It's probably when Bitcoin was trading around 10, 11,000 per Bitcoin. I predicted this last year. Let's see if my prediction was right. I'm also predicting Bitcoin to go up to, probably $500,000 per coin in the next 10 or 15 years or so. So we're gonna have to see if I'm right or not. So let's dive on in, guys, and check out these blockchain stocks, these cryptocurrency stocks. Let's take a quick look and see which ones are on this list. So the first blockchain stock on this list is going to be RIOT, ticker symbol Riot. So it's going to be Riot Blockchain, currently trading at $71.33. It was up about 15% on Friday, or about $9 per share. So this one has been on fire, lately. Market cap 4.817 billion right now. In the past 5 days, it's went from about, $45 all the way up to highs here of about $78, almost $80, but it's just been booming and booming, for the past few months. If we actually take a quick look here, let's just take a look from, when the pandemic started. So let's just say you're down here at around March area. So from May 4th, 2020, it was trading at $1.12 until now. It's up over 6,268%. Those are some crazy numbers. Just imagine having $1,000 worth of this one, last year, how much you would have profited if you had this one. So obviously Riot is going to be based in Colorado and is primarily focused on Bitcoin mining, as well as most of these companies on this list. They're going to be, surrounding the cryptocurrency, and most of them are into Bitcoin. So, Riot is going to be a huge one, because as the price movement of Bitcoin continues to go up, Riot's going to continue to go up, but faster. It's going to continue to go up higher and faster because more people are able to get into it. Now, the thing is, when Bitcoin decides to have a correction and pull back down, or a crash, these blockchain stocks are going to crash even harder than Bitcoin. So you definitely want to be very careful when you trade any of these blockchain stocks on this list, if you guys decide to do that on your own, because there's a high risk, high reward type situation for the long term. Now, as always, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this type of content, so go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 500 plus likes in the first 24 hours of this video being up. Just click that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification to get notified every time we make a new video. We just hit 20,000 subscribers. Leave a comment below. Do you own any of these blockchain stocks in your portfolio? And also, are you into any of the cryptocurrency stuff? Leave a comment below. Let's discuss. Share this video with your friends and let them know about these blockchain companies if they're interested in the cryptocurrency field. Second blockchain stock on our list is going to be ticker symbol CAN. Canaan, I guess you could pronounce that. Canaan Inc. This one is trading at $24.79. It was up about $7.46, or about 43% on Friday. Wow. See, like I'm saying, Bitcoin is not going to go up 43% in a day, but stocks like this do. So it's up 43%. It went from, down here about $10 last week, all the way up here to highs of $24. So huge gains. And once again, if we take a look at this one here and May, March area, so from March it was trading at $3 until now, that's about a 700% gain. So it's not as much as Riot. Riot was up over 6,000%, but this one is still massive gains, about 700% gains. And if we take a look just here from February, so in the past 3 weeks, it's went from $5 all the way up here. So about 400% of those gains was just this month. So that is massive, massive gains right there for any, huge opportunities. Canaan is a veteran China-based Bitcoin mining equipment manufacturer. The Bitmain rival raises 90 million in its US IPO in late 2019 after attempting to unsuccessfully go public in China and Hong Kong. So they tried to do it in China and Hong Kong, didn't work out. They had to IPO in the United States, the good old USA, right? So this one, another huge one to keep on your radar, obviously, with these blockchain stocks. Now, obviously, the higher they go up. That means the harder they're going to fall on that crash. So be very, very careful, like we said. So take a very quick look at these ones and make sure you do your own research before investing into any of these, because they're going to be very, very volatile, guys. So, guys, the third cryptocurrency blockchain stock is going to be Mara, ticker symbol MARA. This is going to be Marathon Patent Group, and it's currently trading at $43.27. It was up about $2.29, or about 5.5% on Friday. So you can see some of these are not as volatile as others. So this one didn't move as much on Friday, even though the other ones did. So in the past week, it went from $38 to highs here of about $49. And now typically that just itself in that past week would be like your average gains for a regular stock in a whole year. So that's already right there, huge gains right there. Obviously, you saw a little bit of a pullback just like the other ones, but market cap for this company is around $4 billion right now. And if we take a look at Mara, it's been tremendous. I mean, here since the March area, so 50 cents it was trading at, and it's up about, let's see right here, 8,554%, close to 9,000% at one point up here, over 9,000%. So let's just do a hypothetical scenario. If you had $1,000 at 1,000% gains, that would return $10,000. So here at 9,000% gain, your $1,000 will be worth around $90,000. That is huge, huge, huge gains. That means if you invested $10,000 into Mara last year in, March, it would be worth over $900,000 right now, which is just out of this world. I mean, I can't even believe that. How is that even possible? If you think about it, how this just works so crazily, just the opportunities. You have to find these opportunities, and they could be great for the long term. You just have to catch them when they're low. Now, Mara is a Unilog subsidiary based in Nevada and is also focused on Bitcoin mining. So like we said, most of these are going to be into Bitcoin mining, but some of them are into the, other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and, all the little ones that or even smaller ones. But the ones that are into Bitcoin are the ones that are mainly profiting as Bitcoin is just booming. There's a lot of hype going around Bitcoin right now, especially, but Ethereum is like second closest, one behind it. In my opinion, Ethereum is the second best one for the long term. If I was to invest into either one, I would definitely pick Bitcoin over Ethereum. But if I had to pick between all the cryptocurrencies that I'm looking at right now, Bitcoin and Ethereum are my top picks. And now we come in at the number 4 spot. The fourth blockchain stock is going to be CNET. Ticker symbol CNET is going to be ZW Data Action Technologies Inc. This one is trading at $4.60. It was up about 12 cents or about 2.68%. So as you can see, the gains are not as crazy as Riot and Can were on Friday. Can had over 40%. So this one market cap 119 million. So very, very small company right there. If we take a look here at the 5-day chart, it went from $3.60 all the way up here to highs of about $6. So huge gains once again, almost 70-80% gains in a matter of a few days. If we take a look at CNET here, since last March area, it was 63 cents. So it's up about 630%. It's not as crazy as Riot and Mara with the thousands and thousands of percent, but still 600-700% gains in a matter of a year. That is huge. I mean, you can't get those type of returns. I mean, take a look at the S&P 500 or any of the other ones, Nasdaq, whatever. 7-8% average, sometimes 10%. If you take a look at the past 100 years, these stocks do not move that quick. So the stock market is definitely falling behind these blockchain stocks. Bitcoin, obviously, as they're just booming on higher and higher. So CNET is going to be the Beijing-based company, announced a partnership with BitSpace to build a joint blockchain mining platform earlier this month, actually. So this one is just the beginning stages right now. It's just starting to boom on up as it's starting to do this mining platform that started just this month. So as we can see actually here in January and then continuing to February, this stock started to continue on higher and higher. So in my opinion, CNET has a huge potential as the market cap is still about 100 million and it has a lot more room to grow in the near future. So definitely one to keep an eye out on for the long run. Now, if you guys made it this far into the video, I know you guys are the loyal viewers, so go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for that 500 likes, guys. Subscribe to the channel for more content. Leave a comment below. Are you trading any of these blockchain stocks in your portfolio or not? So the number 5 blockchain company is going to be Sos Ltd. So currently trading at $11.27. It was up about almost 6% or about 62 cents per share. And this one was trading at around, $5.37 at the beginning of the week or end of last week, and it's went up 100%, in that week. So 100% gains in a matter of a week. Wow, it just seems like this is just easy money, right? Easy money. It's unbelievable. How is this even possible? I mean, you wouldn't get gains like this for years and years in the regular, Dow Jones or anything else. So this is just crazy, crazy price action, guys. That's why I'm telling you, it's crazy. High risk, high reward situation. If we take a look here at SOS, in March it was trading around what, 70 cents. So 70 cents, over 1,500% gains. Amazing, right? 1,500% gain. $1,000 invested would be $15,000. I mean, that is just huge, massive gains. There's some people that haven't made, $15,000 in profit with portfolios that they have that are worth $50,000 on, in their portfolio. So these are some massive gains. This is not normal, guys. This is definitely not normal, is what I'm trying to explain to you. Right now, there's a huge hype around cryptocurrency, and that's why these are booming. So SOS is another China-based company that has posted stellar gains this year as a cryptocurrency play, and it continues to extend gains higher and higher. Like we said, 1,500% gains in the matter of what, a few months, a year or so. So these are just crazy gains, guys. Do any of you guys own any of these? I really would like to know. And what is your average base price on these ones? And last but not least, the number 6th blockchain company is going to be a bonus. So this one's actually a bonus one. I didn't want to include this one into the video because it's a little bit sketchier, I guess you could say, than the other ones, especially since it's in China. But I'm going to add it to the list as a bonus for you guys, so you guys can have another option to research into. So this one, market cap 109 million, so plenty of room to grow. It's going to be ticker symbol ANTE, Airnet Technology Inc. So this one is trading at around $6.17. So wow, look at that. This is the first one that was actually down on Friday. Meanwhile, everything else was up, including Bitcoin. So let's take a look. Why is this happening? So this one was trading at around $3.57 at the beginning of the week. Went to highs up here of about what? $6.70, so 100% gains right there. And then we continue to trade here for about 2 or 3 days at the same price, up and down a little bit. So why did that happen? Well, let's take a look. So this one, if we take a look here in March, 70 cents per share, it's went up about 781%. So not as good as the other ones, but 781% is still massive, massive gains on a stock like this, or just in general. I mean, I would love 700% return on any of my stocks. I would take that in a minute. I would sign a contract right now. Give me 700%. Wouldn't you guys? So if we take a look at this one, ANTE is what I'm going to call it, ANTE. ANTE in China, the Chinese digital media service provider, announced giving Unistar Group Holdings Ltd. a 19% stake in exchange for, get this, for the delivery of 500 computer servers designed especially to mine, you guessed it, cryptocurrency. Wow. So they just got 500 computer servers to mine cryptocurrency. Now, it doesn't say specifically what cryptocurrency they're mining. Is it going to be Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, or something else? But just that is huge. 500 of these. If you got 500 of these computers designed to do this, they're going to be mining a lot. They're going to be mining a lot of Bitcoins. They're going to be going through this stuff. So this is huge, huge play. This is a great deal, obviously, for the company. I mean, the company's market cap is only 109 million. So about a 19-20% stake. That's about 20 million in exchange for 500 computer servers. I mean, I'll bet you this company is returning huge profits off of these, cryptocurrencies that it's going to be mining. So I think this is a great deal, in my opinion. I would definitely sign this deal as well if I was the CEO of this company. So this one, another huge, huge, huge one to add to your list. A little bit more sketchier than the previous companies, but all 6 of these are great blockchain stocks to take a look at. Do your own research, obviously. Make sure that it fits your criteria. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so this is all for educational purposes. I'm just showing you guys 6 blockchain companies that you guys can take a look at as they kind of mimic Bitcoin. As Bitcoin rises, they continue to rise as well. So these are going to be high risk, high reward. Speak to your financial advisor before investing into any of these. Do your own due diligence and own research. Don't just go ahead and buy, Mara because I said in this video that it's booming. No, go ahead and go on Google, do some research on Mara, look up the company, look what it's doing, what it's mining, how much it's mining, how is the company actually progressing in the past year or so. Don't just go ahead and buy something based off of somebody else's opinion. Do your own research, guys. So, as always, if you guys enjoy these videos, smash that like button. I want to see some support so I know to make more of this type of content for you guys. So smash that like button. Let's get 500 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you guys for 20,000 subscribers. Leave a comment below. Do you own any of these blockchain stocks or any other ones that I haven't mentioned in this video? Leave a comment below. Maybe I'll cover them in the next one. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.